I think there are two really important skills that scientists of the future and now need. One is lateral thinking.
Ecology is a complicated, science. It has a lot of bits and pieces ranging from physics and chemistry all the way up to the social sciences.
So the ability to think across problems and think about analogies and understand how we can use tools from one discipline in another to address those questions in new ways.
Being able to step back and say, why does this matter in a larger realm than the one I'm considering?
So when you're confronted with a new idea, you have this luxurious background of understanding by which to kind of hone your creativity to tackle problems.
The other are skills of collaboration, listening, considering, hearing, being open to new ideas.
I think just having students be aware that it is possible that you can work together and your field will benefit from talking to somebody from another field. And I absolutely think that MCs has done that.
The confidence to really participate as a peer and as a driver of science comes from experience talking to other scientists and to other scientists who are leaders in the field.
One of the most important things for early career researchers these days is knowing how to use and understand how to manage large-scale data. All of that training that you have in school of learning theoretical concepts and the mechanistic understandings of how systems operate and work, feeding that into and scaling it up and how to deal with that data is becoming so critical, and NCs is a place where you can connect those two things really well.
We also need to train future generations to lead change and to communicate the relevance of their results to different stakeholders.
If you're lucky, you can be a really fantastic scientist. If you're gifted, you can be a scientist that communicates what they've discovered to a broader audience.
Because it's essential that we make ecology more relevant to society, because really it is the foundation for everything.